That's a fence. What? What?
Please don't hit me! Oh my god, did you look at the 50 for me? I need a redo, that's not fair. There's something wrong with that thing, I think.
No. Yeah. Oh yeah, slow down there, girl. Bring. Wow. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family, and today we are going to share with you a 1/10 scale buggy. Just what the thumbnail said. This is called the VKAR Racing V.4B. Yeah, it's a weird name.
That is weird.
We'll have it linked in the description box below, but here's something that we're learning about those awesome little links in the description box below for the last 1,300 videos. Apparently YouTube doesn't really like when you put links in the description box.
It's been a recent thing, and we've noticed it, and I've suspected that that's the reason, but I'm starting to get confirmation that that's the reason our views are going way down.
Yeah, so if you put links there, YouTube's like, hey, you're taking traffic away from us when you do that, so no. So we're gonna pin all this good stuff in the comments section and maybe like slowly transition over to just doing that. We'll see how that works out, but we're taking the hit for you guys. So all the good stuff will be linked below, and what we're doing today is, look behind me, that is the track at the Boyd County High School, and we are going to do a speed test of this buggy. Now,
I don't know how fast it's supposed to go or anything. It doesn't say on the box.
But it's almost a $300 buggy at a 1/10 scale. Now it does have a brushless system inside. It's got a 3650 size, 3300 kV brushless motor, 33 kV. Man, that'd be slow. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. Then all we're gonna do is slap a GPS inside this and hope that it goes kind of quick, because for that price, that's a very premium price. If it doesn't go fast, I don't know why you'd pay so much for this buggy.
Just a comparison, this is almost just a few dollars short of what we paid for our muckraker. Now this is completely ready to run, has the battery and everything,
yeah.
Whereas the muckraker, you'd have to purchase 2 batteries to get it to run, but still, same price.
This should go fast. I hope. My fingers are crossed. We've had the VKAR Racing Bison and some other VKAR things. We love them. So let's take a look, see what comes in the box, and then zip this around the track over there for you guys. Here's the inside of the buggy itself. There's our nice, it does look like very nice quality on the brushless motor. Everything that is bolted in place looks like it's been done so very well. Like, VKAR is a really good company. We have aluminum brackets here, the front and the back, and the bottom of the buggy has this really nice reinforced aluminum chassis. There's even a bend here on the front. It bends up. And a lot of times on these chassis, you get a straight flat piece. But for them to see that bend, that's pretty nice. And that's just going to hold up. Like, a lot of times this is plastic here, and so when your buggy hits something, that takes the brunt of the hit. So it's really nice to see that. Here's our ESC with a fan cooled system. We have our servo up here. The thing I like about this buggy setup is that it's easy to get to everything. So if, let's say you strip something out on your servo, or you just want a more powerful servo, it's 4 screws holding that in, and then you can just pop a new servo in. I'm curious to see what's under this body clip. I mean, it's got to be our receiver, and I'm assuming they've got a little waterproof casing on it. Yep, so there's your receiver. I like that. I like that a lot, that they have that protected for you. We have 4 independent oil-filled shocks. I like the tension that they're at. They feel good. They're not too fast. They don't feel cheap at all, but you know, you could replace those if anything busted on it. Everything looks pretty easily accessible on all these. You can adjust those shock lengths and the tensions just with a little bit of twisting there, just like a lot of nice hobby grade ground vehicles. This is very hobby grade. The steering feels good. The wheels are nice. They're very soft. Feel those wheels. Yeah. Quality feels good. So I'm very excited to run this. This is a pretty standard VKAR Racing transmitter. Our Bison had the same transmitter, so if you've ever seen that or just watched videos on it or something, then you'll know this is the same transmitter. We have throttle, adjustment, steering, throttle trim, steering trim, and dual rates for your steering, so that's nice. This is the included battery. It's actually a 3-cell, which is pretty impressive because a lot of times 10th scale vehicles, if they come with a battery, it's generally 2 cells. So right out of the box, we get a 3-cell LiPo, and it's even a pretty good size. It's a 3500 milliamp LiPo, so our runtime should be good. The battery doesn't feel cheap. It has some weight to it, and the shell itself feels like it's made really well. So I think that's a good battery. I would probably just run one of my 5000 milliamps in here because it's the same size shell, and then I get a longer runtime. But knowing that that's a 3-cell LiPo at a 25C discharge rating for a ground vehicle is exceptional. It comes with this charger, ability to charge 2-cell and 3-cell LiPos, and then it has a European plug. This little guy comes unplugged too if you like. And you just need a converter. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, I wanted to run this, so I charged it on my hobby grade LiPo charger. I'll link that in the description box below too, because if you get this car, trust me, this is only going to last you 10 charges until you're like, I need a better charger. Don't get me wrong, it's a good charger to have on hand. You can charge any kind of battery, any kind of LiPo battery, 2-cell or 3-cell with this. So I'll hold on to this. They're very handy. But if you like to charge your batteries a little quicker, then you're going to want a hobby grade charger. Check this out. I want to show you guys this process because it's a little different. Not the whole process, but the fin for the back of the buggy, it looks nice. They do this for shipping purposes, but the way it mounts on, you have these little, see these little loose star pieces, they're spinning. We just need an Allen wrench that comes with it to take those out. Then you take this, it's basically a plastic washer, take those off, and then mount that on and screw these on instead of a body clip. It's going to look a little nicer. Cool. Then as I mentioned, you get the Allen wrench. There's actually 3 in here, and here's your instruction manual. So I got to get these Allen wrenches because I didn't bring any tools with me. We'll put that fin on, mount everything up, and zip this around the track. Okay, here's the meter that we're using. I'm just going to put it under the canopy of the car. We're at 0 kilometers an hour, and keep in mind, this has a tendency of being about 3 miles an hour slow.
So we've heard.
So we've heard.
I'm going first.
Oh, okay. Look at that thing. Yeah, this sounds good and quiet. Listen to that. Ooh, yeah.
Well, the track helps.
The track does help because it's the rubber, yeah. But those soft tires and brushless setup. So we're just walking over here to the straight stretch. Also, we just hit 150,000 subscribers. Let's talk about that for a second. Thank you very much. Are we zoomed in some? What's going on here? That's better. Jeez. Also, we just had 150,000. It was zoomed in. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see how fast this goes.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go, go, go. Whoa. Okay. That's a bullet.
I don't even
What?
I don't even know if that could have reached its peak speed right there.
Okay, that's way faster than I expected. Come on, let's do it. Go, 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 go. Bring it by fast, Abby, fast. Wow. Oh, that's a fence. What? What is your problem?
I don't know. I wanted to keep going.
What? Oh my gosh, let's see if it's okay. You just hit a chain link fence at full speed. What in the world, Abby? What?
I'm not used to the track.
Okay, my turn. Let's see how fast it went though. Oh good, look, you got the, you hit it so hard. It says 18 kilometers an hour. That's not right.
That's not right.
So yeah, 18 kilometers
That's
an hour.
not right.
Let's redo this.
Redo. All right,
Okay,
sir.
I think the rule is when you destroy the fence.
But it's at 18 kilometers an hour, and that is not right. Is it okay after my crash?
We're gonna find out. Have to trim it up a little. Of course it's not right. It's like 180 kilometers an hour. Okay, I'm gonna just try to keep it as straight as I can here. It still needs trimmed a lot.
Please don't hit me! Oh my gosh, did you almost hit the fence?
I knew it was there. I hit the brakes.
See, usually we don't stand on the end. I think that was the problem.
How
See what it
fast?
says for you.
Ooh, yeah.
77. Why did it say 18 for me? I need a redo. That's not
is
fair.
fast.
There's something wrong with that thing, I think.
No. That's cool. Let's So process of elimination.
I did not lose by that much.
No. I'm resetting it.
I think you set me up.
No.
You were like, oh, she's gonna go first.
No.
Let's just sabotage her run. I think that's what you did.
I'm resetting it. 77 kilometers. That's why this is almost $300.
I figured it was gonna be fast.
Okay, we're back to 0. Check it out.
I still feel like it could go faster. Like this straight stretch is just not long enough, I feel like.
No. That's it's not. It gains its top speed in probably like 20 feet.
I don't know.
Yeah, it goes quick. Okay, Abby's back at the controls. Do what you have to do to not slam into a fence. See when the track starts curving? That means turn or hit the brakes. Do you need to trim it? Maybe? Nah. Man, when you punch it, it is so fast. And it's 10th scale, so it looks even faster. Okay, so cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, slow down there, girl. Bring Wow. Okay, bring it in. Wow, this is fast. And the reason the body looks tipped up is because I'm not tucking the antenna back through this little hole. That's why it looks twisted.
And we haven't taken the plastic off yet.
No. There's this little protective thing on it.
I'm gonna be so mad if you beat me because I feel like I got sabotaged.
Oh, 78 kilometers an hour.
Back on top, baby!
Oh, man. Okay.
Woo!
Just for the sake of this video and because this is a beast, I'm gonna reset this 1.
No! That is the final score. I win. It's been like forever since I've won. Woo!
I just want to go again, not to try to beat Abby, but to see just to see if it.
He wants to beat me.
Okay.
This does not count towards.
You got 2 tries. I only got 1.
But my first try, we don't even know how fast it went.
It went 18 kilometers an hour
No, it
through
did
the
not.
fence. Apparently, guys, this thing is crazy fast. I can't wait to bash it.
Did you
ready?
reset it? The meter?
Okay, let's walk down here so they can see.
Did you reset the meter?
Yeah,
Are you
I
sure?
reset it. I want you guys to get an idea of the speed here. So this is so amazing, so fast. Here we go. Full throttle.
I can't even keep up with it. It's that fast when it goes by. Now, what's your speed? That was your chance. That was your second chance. You sure it wasn't like 81 and you were looking at it upside down?
No, I'm sure. No, maybe, but I doubt it. 74.
74. So maybe it went 81. We'll have to review the footage.
This thing is fast, but I also am not afraid of it. Like sometimes when we have these things go this fast, I'm like, stay away. This would definitely hurt if it hit you, so be careful with it.
I'm afraid of it because the tires aren't very big, so this is what's gonna hit you right there, and that will hurt.
So I don't have my phone on me, so I'm just roughly guessing here. But if I had to guess
on
off the top of my head, yeah, we will have already put the miles per hour, but me guessing it's like maybe 55 miles an hour. So imagine your real car going down the highway. That's how fast this 1/10 scale car goes. Essentially, you could be on the highway driving this, and
don't do that.
Don't do that. But you could do that alongside the real car, or you could like drive this in front of the real car.
You are
don't
pumped.
Do it.
You're pumped, aren't you?
Wow, this
You're
is
excited.
fast. So cool.
Okay.
So powerful.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button because we're gonna go bash this here in a few minutes, right?
Yes, and so you guys will get a video like the following day
Or so.
of this bash. Another week or 2 later.
Whenever we edit it.
Guys, thank you for the 150,000 subscribers, for everyone that has made the conscious decision to hit subscribe, to stay up to date with whatever we're doing, whether it's ground vehicles, drones, airplanes,
Or
boats,
even family
sleepers,
stuff.
Family-friendly content. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. Guys, let's bash this. Huge final thanks to all of our patron support.
Falling?
I was going to go out of frame while you got the buggy driving by.
Oh, didn't get the memo.
So,
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye! Well, that wasn't a very good drive off.